It's time to create some account plans in Outseta. So this is where you get to decide if you want to create free or paid plans and how much to charge and what content you want to protect on your site with these plans. So if we navigate back over to our Fitnesso site in Webflow, what I want to do is create actually 3 different plans. A rookie plan that will give members access to just workouts, a varsity plan that will give members access to just the recipes under the recipes CMS, and a pro plan which will give members access to both workouts and recipes. So now that I know what content I want to have governed by each membership type, we'll head over back to Outseta and start building out those plans. So we can navigate to billing and then plans, and we're going to add a plan. So our first plan is going to be the rookie plan, and we can give it a just quick description. The description will surface on your site on the pop-ups for sign up when a user is selecting a plan. So it's helpful to keep it concise so that users are able to see what they're signing up for. But also if there's details that you want to add into that description, this is the place to do that as well so that users know what they're being able to access with this plan. So we're going to keep the plan as active, and we're going to keep the plan family as default. You can actually group plans together under a plan family if you need to. In this case, we don't have to, but let's say down the road we added more protected content such as vegetarian recipes or muscle building recipes. It would be helpful to potentially have those individual plans be under the recipes plan family instead of default. So you could group them together and people could potentially subscribe to the entire plan family. But for now, default is okay. So we can also set a trial period. I'm going to keep it as none, but you can have a certain number of days as a trial, or you could have your trial end date be a specific date. We're also going to leave the editable quantity unchecked because with this plan, users are going to have unlimited access. There isn't a minimum quantity or a unit of measure in this instance. And we can set our monthly and annual rates. So we'll do $29 monthly and $299 a year. And we can also decide whether or not we want the plan to be taxable, which is going to pull in the tax rate info that we set up in the billing section when we connected Outseta and Stripe billing. So we can just select that tab to make this plan taxable depending on where your user is located. They'll be able to pay tax on that plan if it's needed. We'll click add. And if we head back to plans, we can actually select this plan and we can copy it. So we can copy this and make it our varsity plan. And this is going to be unlimited access to Sandra Lyons recipes. It's active. The plan family is the same, so we're going to keep it at the default. There isn't a trial period. It's the same price, and it's also taxable. So just in a couple of clicks there, we've added a second plan. So now we can see that we've got both our rookie and varsity plans. And our last plan that we want to add is our third plan, our pro plan. So our Pro plan, we have, and we could have copied this as well, or we can just build it out really quickly. So this is going to be access to at-home workouts and recipes. This plan is active. We don't have a trial period again. And the monthly rate for this plan is going to be $39 and $3.99. And this is also taxable. So our Pro plan is a little bit more expensive because we have access to more content than the rookie and varsity plans. So we can add that plan in, and now we have all three of our plans: our rookie plan, our varsity plan, and our Pro plan. And that's it. Now we've created our plans in Outseta, so we know what content we want to protect and what the fees will be for each membership type.